What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital coins that can be sent and received via the internet, without the need for a third party such as a bank. Cryptocurrencies are tracked in real time on a public ledger that can be viewed by anyone. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional digital currencies or banks. Since transactions are open to and can be verified by anyone, there is no risk of counterfeiting. Once a transaction has been completed and confirmed by the network, it cannot be reversed or blocked. Cryptocurrency can be sent and received anywhere in the world for a relatively low fee. How do cryptocurrencies work? Essentially, a global network of computers compete to solve a difficult puzzle, known as cryptocurrency mining, and the winner is rewarded with a piece of unique code called a crypto coin. Because cryptocurrency transactions are processed and verified by miners, there's no need for a third party to verify transactions. What's the difference between cryptocurrency and a token? Unlike crypto coins, tokens can be created on a blockchain, such as Ethereum. Coins are mined, tokens are not. Coins have a blockchain. Tokens are made on a blockchain. Even though some tokens are used as currency, they're typically generated to raise funds in an ICO or IEO, with the promise of future development. Always do your own research prior to investing in cryptocurrencies, and never invest more than you are prepared to lose. If you found this video informative, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. New to cryptocurrency? Learn about masternodes, staking, NFT, mining, and much more. You can find the links in the description.